I would like to make much simpler, straight to the point video that describes exactly what you need to do to prepare your phone for a trade-in. When you get your new iPhone in the box in the mail, you usually get this package, which is a box that you will put your old iPhone in. But before you put an iPhone in the box and seal it, which I will show you at the end of this video, you have to prepare it and you have to engage and disengage all the features before you actually trade it in. Okay, so when you go to your settings, you're greeted with this setup. Even on the latest iOS, same thing. When you click on your account, Apple account, you have to go to Find My and disengage the Find My iPhone before you trade it in. You won't be able to disengage this Find My if one of the safety features is on, and I'm going to show you how to turn it off. When you go back to settings, you scroll down, you click Face ID and passcodes. Then you type in your passcode, and when you're in, you are greeted with all the safety features. Almost all the way in the bottom, you have stolen device protection. Okay, so this is the feature. This is the stolen device protection. If for some reason your iPhone got stolen and they know your password or passcode to your iPhone, they will not be able to change anything, especially shut off the Find Mine on the iPhone if this toggle is on. Currently, I have it off, but if you see if it's on, so you can choose these two options. If for some reason you are in your workplace and that's your familiar location and somebody stole your iPhone at your workplace, I'm sorry, but they will be able to change the passwords really easy. So if you want to make sure, doesn't matter which location is the familiar or not familiar, if you want to make sure that whoever steals your iPhone will now be able to, for 60 minutes, to change all the passwords and face IDs and everything, you would have to click always. And then you will have 60 minutes when you change this little toggle, and only then you can shut off the Find My and prepare your phone for erasing and shipping. So security delay will last for about 1 hour. You will still be able to use your iPhone during this delay. Turning off the restarting your iPhone will restart the delay. Start security delay. So the stolen device protection is off. So we can go ahead and continue with going back to your Apple account, Find My, and shut off Find My. Type in the password, disable. Now Find My is off. Let's go ahead and go back to your settings. You click General. You go all the way down, Transfer and Reset your iPhone. Tap that. Obviously, you transfer everything from your old phone to a new phone. Everything is done, uploaded. You don't need this phone anymore and anything on it. You shut off Find My. You make sure that that security feature is off. Then after it's all off, you can go here and reset or erase all content and settings. You have to choose erase all content and settings. It shows you the erase this phone, shows you all that stuff is going to be erased, all the eSIM and everything. You click OK. We don't need eSIM in here, so we can go and delete everything. Type in the passcode. Erase everything. Again, it really depends on what type of storage you had on this iPhone and how much you filled it up with videos and photos and all that good stuff. So based upon the amount of storage, that's how long this process is going to take. And here you are. It's brand new iPhone, so you can use it just like the brand new iPhone. Select language and set everything up. So now with all this, I'm gonna go ahead and hold the up volume button and the power button simultaneously. It shows this screen, and then I just slide this to shut off this power. And that's done. So now you can toss this iPhone in the box, and I'm gonna show you how it is done. I'm gonna make this a little bit wider. Brighten it up a little bit. Take off all the cases. Any of that is not need to be on this iPhone. Going to take up the box, it opens up. There's like these flaps or in that. You open this flap, put your iPhone right up in here. You don't need to put anything besides the iPhone. All you have to do then just close these flops, flip it once, flip it twice. We're gonna take off this glue part, close this, put this little piece in here, close this up, and then shut this part down. Doesn't have to be all perfect. So that's done. And this is where you stick the label. And that's where you usually just get this label. You peel it off, slap on it, and you're ready to go to your UPS or access points of UPS. Majority of the time it's like a Walgreens or CVS or whatever. And ask for the receipt because that's important. There's multiple situations where people drop off their iPhones and they didn't ask for a receipt, and the UPS office or third-party UPS access point saying like, well, we did not receive anything from that person. So make sure that you get a receipt of this transaction where you drop this off. So on that, you'll get notification through the phone or however you set it up with your Apple. And it's going to tell you, say, hey, we got notified that you send us your phone. We're going to examine the phone, just make sure that everything is good to go. It's all clean, no dings, no scratches. And we're going to provide you with fair amount for your phone. Majority of times they're not that picky on how the condition of iPhone is. And that's it, guys. If you got anything helpful from this video, please don't hesitate to give us a like, slap the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell while you at it, just to get notified for all the upcoming helpful videos and geeky videos about tech and cameras and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. See ya.